Year 3, English Lesson 4, Ottoline and the Yellow Cat. Our word of the week this week has been inspirational. Can you write sentences using the word correctly? Our objective today is to use a conjunction to write a sentence with a main and subordinate clause. Can you find the two conjunctions used on page 1 of Ottoline and Yellow Cat? Have a think. That's correct. But and so were the conjunctions that were used. So what is the purpose of conjunctions? Let's read this part of the story and see if we can identify the conjunctions used. Pause the video and then we'll check to see if you have correctly identified them. Did you manage to find the conjunctions? Well done. Now have a think. What is the purpose of conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to link two clauses. They are either coordinating clauses or subordinating clauses. Here are some examples of conjunctions. And, so, because, if, as, while, when, until, and but. Add these to your list. Let's see if you can find the conjunctions in this part of the story. Pause the video. Did you find them all? Well done. You might want to start writing a list of conjunctions that we've found. We may need to use these later on in our work. A main clause can stand on its own, whereas a subordinate clause relies on another part of the sentence and cannot stand alone. Helicopters can fly is the main clause. It can stand on its own as a sentence. When they have fuel is a subordinate clause. It does not stand alone. It needs the other part of the sentence to make sense. Helicopters fly when they have fuel. This is an example of a main clause with subordinating clause. Here's a short task for you to do. I have written down some examples of main clauses. I have included a list of conjunctions. Can you now write a sentence using a main clause with a subordinating clause? For example, Ottoline brushed Mr. Monroe's hair while Ottoline began to think. Your task today is to use some of the conjunctions here. Write sentences with a main clause and a subordinate clause. Try to link it to the story of Ottoline and Yellow Cat. And for a challenge, can you place the conjunction in different parts of the sentence? Maybe try putting the conjunction at the start of your sentence. Well done for today. I hope you're writing some great sentences. Don't forget to email me your work and I will give you some dojos. And remember, stay at home and stay safe.